Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney.
Well, hello, friends, and thank you for tuning back in with your girl, Latisha. Now, if this is your first time here, we would absolutely love to have you. Our mission here is to inspire our audience with unique and signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell ringer so you won't miss any tutorials. Okay, friends, so the first thing we want to do is make sure that we clean our ornaments with rubbing alcohol. Now we're going to remove the top from off of there, and remember we did this in a previous video right there on that iCard. Now the reason why I'm doing this one is because I wanted to blend in with a lot of the stuff that I got from Michael's last year in that haul. I will have that video link down below. Look at this poinsettia. It is so beautiful. That's why I want to do this tutorial with you all. Now this sequin trim, I got it from Walmart and it's like $2 and something. Remember, I have everything down below for you all. Now we're going to be doing a future tutorial with that too. So you find this little line right here in the center of this ornament right there. We're going to remove the top next. Now we're going to wrap this one up really quick to get to the next one. All I did was just place some hot glue at the top, and I'm going to take it around and then cut it right here, and I'm going to do a crisscross doing the same exact thing. Now this is just a closer shot. Now if you pay attention, you can see that white trim in the inside of there. Now what I want to do is I want to only see the sequin right here in the inside and not the trim. So that's what we're focusing on right there, seeing the sequin inside and not that trim. Okay, so I've already measured it and I am going to cut. There we go, because I want both of the trims to be the same size because we are going to hot glue them together. Now right here, you're going to see an imperfection. We're going to straighten that out. So remember, we're going to hot glue these together because remember, you was able to see that trim. And when we do this DIY, I don't want us to be able to see that trim at all. So start right here at the top and hot glue it there. And then we're going to go all the way around. We're just making sure it wraps all the way around. Now right here, I'm just cutting off the little imperfections, so we want to make sure that it looks very neat and clean. So now we're hot gluing. I'm going to place some hot glue right here, and I'm going to also place some in the center. Make sure you don't stretch too much either. Now as we're putting the hot glue on, we want to make sure that we pat it down. And like I said before, make sure you're not stretching it, because if you do, you will be able to see the trim in between it. So remember, we're just going to go all the way around, hot glue it, and we're done with this part. So I'm going to place a brooch on here for my extra blingers. Now, if you want to, you can just place some brooches like going all the way around. Remember, this is your DIY, so you do it the way that you want to. Okay, so let's get ready and take it up a couple notches. I got this glitter from the Dollar Tree. I usually do not use glitter. Remember, I said that in my story time yesterday. So I placed some of the glitter, which is the gold one, inside of there. And I think it is absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to hold the top and shake it. I don't have to add any type of spray inside of it because the glitter is going to automatically stick. You know, everybody know that glitter just sticks anyway. So this is how it looks, and I think that is absolutely beautiful. And we're just going to do the same thing with the other one. Okay, so look at the second one. We placed some glitter in the inside and you really can't even see the white trim part. Now for the top, my friends, it is too cold to be spray painting. So I am going to use my gold leafing pen, and I'm just going to use it in some spots to give it like a metallic look. And for the second one, I just did it all over the top. And that wraps it up for this tutorial, everyone. It came out so beautiful. I absolutely love them, and you can see the difference in the tops. You guys, thank you so much for designing with me, Latisha McKinney. And guess what? I will see you all in the next one. Blessings to you all, and Merry Christmas. Bye.